Are you struggling with missing teeth or wobbling dentures? Do you want to transform your smile and life altogether? Just imagine how it would be if you can laugh out loud, eat whatever you love, and feel confident every single day with fixed teeth on full mouth implants. At LBR Dental and Implant Center, we offer affordable, high quality full mouth dental implants. We use the same implants that are FDA approved and used by all the leading dentists around the world. Stay with me to find out how you can take the first step towards a confident new you. Hello, I'm Dr. Sharda from LBR Dental and Implant Center. We are located in Hyderabad, India. Many people struggle with missing or damaged teeth, but the high unaffordable cost of dental implant treatment disheartens them. But what if I tell you that there is another option? That full mouth rehabilitation on dental implants will cost only between 6,000 to 12,000 US dollars abroad. Are you wondering why there is so much variation in the cost? Let me break it down for you. For 6,000 US dollars, you can get full mouth dental implants using all on 6 technique, that is 6 implants in the upper jaw and 6 implants in the lower jaw with a hybrid denture. For $9,000, you get the same implant technique, that is 6 in the upper, 6 implants in the upper and 6 in the lower with solid zirconia teeth on titanium frame. But if the bone loss is too much, if there is severe bone loss and your jawbone doesn't support regular traditional implants, then you have to go for zygomatic implants. These implants engage the cheekbone, which is high and rigid and aid in immediate loading of teeth. If zygomatic implants are required, depending on the number of implants, the cost will go up to 12,000 US dollars. Yes, you heard it right. Full mouth rehabilitation using FDA approved implants will cost you only between 6,000 to 12,000 US dollars. And this also includes airport pickup and drop off, local transfers and local sightseeing and 12 days accommodation at a comfortable 3-star hotel in Hyderabad and also 2 sets of night guards. You just have to book your flight and we'll take care of the rest. Just imagine walking into a world-class care where full mouth rehabilitation on implants doesn't come with a hefty price tag. Here at LBR Dental and Implant Center, we use the top brands like Zimmer, Noble Biocare, Straumann and also Norris implant systems that are practiced in countries like US and Australia. These implants are known for their strength, quality and long-lasting results. More than just great implants, you'll find a team that will care for you, that will make you feel like that you are a part of our family. Getting dental treatment at LBR Dental Implant Center is not about saving money. It is about getting your life back, eating your food without pain and making memories with your loved ones. So why wait when high quality, affordable dental care is just a call away? You can visit our website or WhatsApp on the number that is displayed on the screen for a free virtual consultation.